Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 important rules to win any intraday trading what you take. So make sure you give attention to this video till the end and watch this video fully till the end so that you will understand the 3 important rules to win my intraday trading, okay? Also, if you're new to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be for trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also, you can visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video, so you guys can visit this link to know more about my trading courses what I provide. I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. This course is for the people who are not making money consistently in the market, or if you're new to a market and if you're facing a consistent loss, you can definitely join us to earn consistently. And also the course prices is very less and reasonable, and if you're taking both NSC and MCX course, you're getting the discount in the price. And also here you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course, and also the earning proof by my client after taking the course. So here you can see all the ledger proof by my clients, and also many of my client has won the 0 to 60 days challenge. Even that certificate has been put up here. Okay, so these are all the ledger proof. So I'll be showing you all of that things, and you can also visit this blogspot and see all of these things also. And one of my client has bought a new car by making 5 months consistent profit after joining with us. Even that message has been displayed here, which he has sent to me. Okay, and also here you can see all the ledger proof, like 44,000 rupees profit in 9 days of intraday trading from 44,000 capital. So these are the ledger proof. You can click on it and that will display you. And here also you can see 35,000 rupees profit, 35,000 rupees profit ledger proof. If everything has been displayed here. Here it is, 35,000 rupees profit. Second, let me go there. 35,000 rupees profit in 5 days of intraday trading from 65,000 rupees capital. So you can click on this and the ledger proof will display. So you can watch all this ledger proof, and if you're interested to unlock this consistently, you can join us. To join, you can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with us and know about the course and join us. Okay, so you can message us now to join the course with us and earn consistently, as you're seeing here. Okay, and also here you can see the feedback from my clients after taking the course. Even the feedback has been displayed here. So if you wish to see all of this, you can just click on the messages and that will display you. Okay, so these are all the feedback from my clients what they have given me till now. Okay, and one of my client has recovered his 1 lakh rupees loss. Even that message has been displayed here. So you can see all of these messages and all of the earning proof, and if you're interested to earn like this constantly, you can definitely join us to earn. So now coming to the video topic, guys, 3 important rules to win intraday trading. So the first one is organizing. So guys, to win in any of our intraday trading, if you want to be successful in intraday trading, the organization is very important. Organization in intraday trading means that you should be organized, well organized, that is how to trade in intraday trading. Okay, and what time you should be trading, and you should have all your technical things set up, that is your laptop or a phone, or everything should be organized in time. Okay, you should be punctual and you should know what is your main strategy. Okay, and you should be well organized. You have to know your time, that what time is suitable for you in intraday trading, and which segment, and how you should be organized with the capital and with the fund, with the money management and everything. So organizing is very important in intraday trading to be successful. The second thing is confirmation. So you should have a confidence and confirmation in intraday trading that yes, if you're taking a trade, that is going to win. Okay, and you should make sure that whatever you're doing is correct, and that will make you fetch the money, that will make you fetch the profit. Okay, so if you don't have a perfect strategy, or if you are lagging behind, if you are in a loss, or if you're unable to make money constantly, so these are all the things I'll be teaching you in my course. So in my course, I'll be teaching you 90% accuracy strategies where you can make money consistently, and if you're in a loss, you can recover that loss simply and without any tension, and you can be in a profit. Okay, so you can join my course for that. So in that, I'll be teaching you all of these things, how to organize and make consistent profit, and confirmation how to get it, Okay, so I'll be teaching you all that in my course. Okay, you can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. And as I already said you, the course price is less and reasonable price, and also you're getting a discount when you take both NSE and MCX course. Okay, so you can definitely join us to earn consistently, as I shown you in my earning proof. So the third one, the last one, is making the right decision. So making the right and correct decision is always important in intraday trading. So if you're not making that, you will definitely go into a loss. That is a picking of a stock maybe, or when to enter, when exit, or what's the target and stop loss you should keep. So all these are the right decision what you should always have in your head in the intraday trading, and it should be quick and fast to decide everything. So these are all the three tips what I wanted to share with you in this video, guys. That is organizing confirmation and making the right decision. And these are the three main important rules to win intraday trading. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. Okay, so every day I update how much profit we made everything. You can watch all of this thing, and if you're interested to earn like this constantly, you can definitely join us. You can go into my channel and see how accurately and how constantly and every day I am uploading my videos with the earning proof. I'm not just saying that. With the earning proof, with the screenshot of profit, every day I'm uploading this with the ledgers and also with the profit screenshot on day-to-day basis. And also you can go into my blogspot, as I already said you. The link is in the description below. You can go inside this and you can see your feedback from my client and earning proof with the ledger proof, and also most of the things have been put up here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.